Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about bed bugs, specifically the 10 early warning signs you should never ignore. And I'll also walk you through some easy home remedies and products you can actually buy if you need to fight back. So stay with me. This video could save you a lot of trouble and money. Before we get to the signs, I want you to understand why catching this early is so important. A single female bed bug can lay up to 250 eggs in her lifetime. And those eggs hatch in about 6 to 10 days. So you could go from 5 or 10 bugs to hundreds in just a few weeks. Early detection means you spend less money on treatment, you stop it from spreading to other rooms, and you protect your family, guests, or neighbors. Okay, now the warning signs. Starting with the one most people notice first. Sign 1. Itchy red bites when you wake up. This is the classic sign. You wake up with small, red itchy bites, usually on your neck, arms, face, or ankles. Now here's the key thing. Bed bug bites often appear in a straight line or a zigzag. People call it the breakfast, lunch, and dinner pattern, because the bug feeds, moves a little, and feeds again. Sign 2. Tiny dark spots on your mattress. Look along the seams of your mattress, your sheets, and pillowcases. See any tiny dark brown or black dots? Those are bed bug droppings. They're about the size of a period on a printed page. If you wipe them with a damp cloth and they smear, that's a confirmed sign. Use a flashlight and inspect those mattress seams carefully. Sign 3. Rust-colored blood stains on your bedding. If you roll over in your sleep and accidentally crush a bed bug right after it feeds, it leaves a small, reddish-brown stain on your sheets. If you're seeing small, unexplained rusty spots on your bedding, and you don't have a cut or wound, investigate immediately. Sign 4. A sweet, musty smell in the bedroom. This one surprises people. Bed bugs actually release a chemical, a pheromone, and in larger numbers it creates a distinctive smell. People describe it as overripe raspberries, or a wet towel that's been sitting too long. If your bedroom has an unexplained, musty, sweet odor that doesn't go away even after cleaning, don't ignore it. Sign 5. Shed skins, molted exoskeletons. Bed bugs go through 5 growth stages, and they shed their skin at each one. These shed skins look like tiny, hollow, yellowish shells, almost like an empty bug costume. If you find a bunch of them around mattress seams or furniture joints, that's a strong confirmation of an active infestation. Sign 6. Tiny white eggs or eggshells. Bed bug eggs are tiny, about 1 millimeter, roughly the size of a pinhead. They're pearl-white, oval-shaped, and they stick to surfaces when freshly laid. Finding eggs means bugs are actively reproducing in your home. That's urgent. Act immediately. Sign 7. Spotting an actual live bed bug. Now this is the most obvious sign, but people often don't recognize them. An adult bed bug is about the size of an apple seed. It's flat oval and reddish-brown before eating, and swollen and round after feeding. It cannot fly or jump. They're most active between 2 a.m. and 5 a.m. Your best bet to spot them is just before dawn or with a flashlight at night. Sign 8. Bites in lines or clusters. Already mentioned this, but it's worth repeating. Random bites all over? Could be mosquitoes. But if you're seeing 3 to 5 bites grouped in a neat line or zigzag pattern, consistently, night after night, bed bugs are very likely the culprit. Sign 9. Unexplained skin rashes or allergic reactions. Some people are more sensitive to bed bug saliva and develop hives, swelling, or intense itching that lasts several days. Here's an interesting clue. If your skin feels better when you travel and sleep away from home, but flares up again when you return, your bed is probably the problem. Sign 10. Neighbors reporting bed bugs. If you live in an apartment, condo, or any shared building, and your neighbor reports bed bugs, treat it as your early warning sign too. Bed bugs travel through wall voids, outlets, shared laundry rooms, and hallways. You could have visitors heading your way right now. Do a thorough inspection and place bed bug interceptors under your bed legs as a precaution. Okay, so let's say you've spotted some of these signs early. Good. The earlier you act, the easier this is to fix. Here are 7 home remedies that can genuinely help in the early stages. High heat washing and drying. Wash all your bedding, curtains, and clothing in hot water, at least 120 degrees Fahrenheit, and dry on high heat for at least 30 minutes. Heat kills bed bugs and their eggs at every stage of life. This is your first move. Diatomaceous earth food grade. This is a natural powder made from fossilized algae. It physically damages the bed bug's outer shell, causing it to dry out and die. Sprinkle it around bed legs, baseboards, and in cracks. Leave it for a few days, then vacuum. Baking soda. Spread baking soda along mattress seams and in hiding spots. It's believed to absorb moisture from bed bugs. Reapply every few days and vacuum in between. It won't eliminate a large infestation, but it can help slow things down early on. Tea tree oil spray. Mix 20 drops of tea tree oil into a cup of water in a spray bottle. Spray it on mattress seams, the headboard, and furniture joints. Tea tree oil works better as a repellent than a killer, but it's a great first-line defense. Steam treatment. A handheld steam cleaner above 212 degrees Fahrenheit, applied slowly to mattress seams, furniture, and baseboards, kills bed bugs and eggs on direct contact. Move it no faster than 1 inch per second so the heat really penetrates. Freezer/cold treatment. Bed bugs die at temperatures below 0 degrees Fahrenheit minus 18 degrees Celsius after 4 days. Put infested clothing, stuffed animals, or shoes in sealed plastic bags and leave them in the freezer for at least 4 days. Clove oil spray. Clove oil contains something called eugenol, which has actual insecticidal properties. Mix 10 to 15 drops in a cup of water and spray into cracks and crevices. It's one of the most effective essential oil options out there. Now, if home remedies aren't cutting it, here are 6 top-rated products you can actually buy to treat this properly. Number 1. Ortho Home Defense Bed Bug Killer. Available at Home Depot, Walmart, and Amazon. It kills bed bugs and their eggs on contact and keeps working for weeks after application. Great as a first response spray for mattresses and furniture. Number 2. Harris Bed Bug Killer Diatomaceous Earth. One of the best-selling DE products on the market. Comes with a duster applicator, so you can get it into cracks and baseboards easily. Completely chemical-free and long-lasting. Number 3. EcoRaider Bed Bug Killer Spray. This one is plant-based and non-toxic, and it's one of the few natural products proven effective in independent lab studies. It's safe around children and pets, and it has residual effects for up to 2 weeks. Number 4. Bedlam Plus Aerosol. This is a professional-strength product available to regular consumers. It kills pyrethroid-resistant bed bugs, which is a growing problem in many cities. It works on eggs and nymphs too, and leaves a residual film for up to 2 weeks. Number 5. JT Eden Oil-Based Spray. An oil-based spray that suffocates bed bugs on contact. It's USDA approved and considered one of the safest options, safe for mattresses, box springs, and all furniture. Number 6. Tempered FX Professional Grade. This is what pest control professionals actually use. It has 2 active ingredients that work together to kill even resistant bed bugs. You can find it online for DIY use, but honestly, if you're at this stage, calling a professional is the smartest move. Home remedies and store-bought sprays are great for catching things early. But please, call a licensed pest control professional if you're finding bed bugs in more than one room. The infestation has been there for more than 2 weeks. You've treated it and bugs are still appearing. You live in an apartment building or shared housing. Someone in your home is having a severe allergic reaction to bites. Professional heat treatment, where they raise the room temperature to 120 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit for several hours, is one of the most effective methods available. It kills every stage of bed bug in a single treatment. Alright, so if you found this helpful, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to see this, and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.